I've been working on a watercolor book, The Simplest Way to Watercolor, all about a simple watercolor painting method using this simple color palette, only the 3 primary colors, and the relaxing watercolor process. The working version is now available for you to download at yongchen.gumroad.com. I will continue to expand this book by adding step-by-step lessons from my most popular watercolor videos. You will receive notifications for all future updates. Thank you for your continued support of my teaching and sharing. Let's start today's painting. I'm going to use masking fluid, a little orange color. Now I'm going to put the mark. Think before we do anything. Okay, here you go. All right. I use the soap bar to prepare the calligraphy brush. Wet it. Make sure the soap get in between all hairs. Take out some masking fluid. I'm going to start from the most important space. That will be the face. I'm going to start from the forehead. Look first. That's good. Couple leaves over here. I'm gonna protect that. Then I'm gonna apply the yellow-green color later on. I'm gonna wait until completely dry. Cover the light area first. I'm gonna make it a little bit warmer. Just take a little bit red color. This is good. This is 2-inch flat brush. I'm going to have this all the way come down. Yep, not too much water. Just enough. Yes, so you want to have this shape, you want to start from the inside. Okay. Okay. This coming the bottom of this. There we go. That direction coming here. I'm going to look at this painting upside down. I'm going to use the blue color. All right. All the overall colors, it looks pretty good. We're going to remove the masking. Now I'm going to work into the main object. I'm going to start working into the very light color at the top. It's just a little bit orange color. So a little bit yellow-orange color. Light shape right on the shoulder over here. And as well as on the shoulder over here. Take a look at the rest of the whole shape. Take a little bit tiny blue. I'm going to start from here. Ignore the eye, the eyebrows, and everything else. And start coming down. I'm going to get into the hair area. Okay. Now I'm going to start changing the color. Take the yellow and the red. Okay. Just a little bit more orange. Okay, a little bit tiny more red on the cheek. Okay, coming down. The eyebrow. Right here. Let's set a little color for the upper eyelid. That's good. Now let's see. Right here. Here. Here you go. I'm going to get the red and the blue color. You see that? Immediately getting some really beautiful dark color. Okay. And the front over here. Color for the shirt. You look at that, it's a bit of red and red shade blue color. Okay, like that. And squint your eye, you can see how dark the color is. Connected, that will be fine too. Okay, like right here. You know, right in here. Take a look at the arm. A little bit tiny red orange color. Okay, now gradually going up. Now I'm gonna come to this person. It looks like a little bit red shade blue color. Like that. This is pretty good. The elbow, the arm. I'm going to have a little bit orange color, so start from a little bit later. Like that, this is good. Very well. Now is the time to go into the arm. So let's get the red into the blue. Maybe a little bit tiny yellow. That's good. Okay. Take a little yellow. I think the yellow is all you need. One is the plain in the shadow. You see, I just get the yellow right here. Okay, like this. If I'm going to put the yellow over here, that's the leaf. Looks like a green. Okay. Okay, a little bit tiny blue. That's good. And here you go. And this one. Okay, pretty good. Now we're going to come back to the back. There you go. That's good. Wonderful. Grip coming down. Right here. First, I'm going to set a little gray color. This is good enough. Get a little bit tiny blue, like that. Okay, I'm going to have this right in here. Okay, 1/3 of the width. The shadow of this, the traffic light. And here too. Like that. That's good. We can make some darker color, and so that the bottom will look a little bit more like a reflected. I'm gonna have light up a little bit. So I'm still opening the options to use the gouache paint later on, because there's a couple places I definitely going to use gouache, the opaque painting. Okay, so we're gonna see whether or not it needed, but always knowing that there's a result that we can go to. Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit darker on the shadow side right here. I don't want to use too much water. Okay, but let's see. Like a half of the side is the shadow side. Okay, that's good. Okay. We'll come back. Okay, that's good. Separate the two sides. This side and the other side. Okay. Now I'm gonna painting into the shirt. Through the 40 years of painting and teaching watercolor, I want to use it to do some substantial, significant, and meaningful painting for me. So I went through many experiments, tried different materials, different brushes, and different painting methods, and I finally find the perfect combinations. I call it the simplest way to watercolor painting. Now you can download the digital book. You can try my process. It may save you years of time, and I'm going to keep updating the book with more painting lessons. If you like this video, please share this channel with your friends. By the way, if you want to learn faster, you might want to come to join us on Patreon. See the link in the video descriptions or the end of this video. Looking forward to see you in our next video.